friends, welcome to yet another video of political science, and this video is about how to solve questions. One video I have made on the MCQs, and this video is on true, false and fill in the blanks type questions, and this is from the first chapter that is political system. So let us begin and try to solve and learn how to solve true, false, fill in the blanks questions. This is about me. Let us do true or false type questions. First we will do. The answer is there, but we will analyze it first, then we will come to the answer or come to the conclusion which one is the right answer, or is it true or false. So first question is, use of coercive power is the characteristic of political system. Coercive power means to punishing power. So which authority has punishing power? In society, in state, we have so many organizations, right? Parties, groups, but only one organization has the power to punish, and that is governmental organization, right? Governmental organization. Government is part of political system. We have read in detail. So it means the coercive power is the characteristics of political system is true. So for that we will write answer true. Here I am taking it, but you will write. You will not write the question. You will write question number and you will write answer TRUE. True. Okay. Moving to the next question. Political system has the quality of adaptation. Adaptation means to make itself, to change itself as per the need and the requirement with the time. So any organization that doesn't change with the time become obsolete and ends. But political system, we have seen, it is changing itself as per the need. It has the quality of adaptation. So it has quality of adaptation. It means it is true. So answer is true. You will write question number only and the answer will be this only. Need not to write the whole question and then write true or false and then take the true one. It shouldn't be done like this, right? You should only write this true, question number and true. Okay, hopefully you got it. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, extra societal environment do not influence the political system. True or false? Now while reading chapter we had read that political system works in two environment. One is intra-societal environment, one is extra-societal environment. Intra-societal, within the political system, whatever environment is, it influences the political system. And the same way, the extra-societal environment, that is outside of the political system, it means the countries, other countries, neighboring countries and other countries, they also influence our system. So the answer would be extra-societal environment do not influence the political system. But we know that extra as well as intra-societal environment influence our system. Okay, so it means do not is wrong. From here we come to know it is wrong. Wrong means it is false, right? It is false. So answer would be false and you will write only this false part. If the question would have been extra societal environment influence the political system, the answer would be true. Hopefully it is clear to you. Thank you. let's move to the next question, that is, there is no difference between state and political system, right? So here also we should keep in mind, we should know what is political system and what is state. State has four essential elements. You have read it in +1. It was in your syllabus. That is population, sovereignty, government, and territory. A political system includes everything: government also, people also, organizations also, extra societal environment also influences it. So political system, there is a difference between state and political system. Political system is a wider concept than the state. So the answer is false, right? You will write question number and answer false only. You will not write things in detail, like writing whole questions, then true, false, and then ticking it false. The answer is false, right? Just write the question number and false, right? So this way we will reach to the conclusion. Next question is, all political systems are alike, true or false? So, our is, for example, one political system: Indian political system, Pakistani political system, American political system, European political system. All are not same, though there is a universality of political system. It means everywhere there is some system working, but they are not similar. There are differences, so many differences. Working culture is different, people are different, the behavior of the people are different, right? They can have different sets of governments also. So all political systems are alike is false, not true. So our answer would be false. Okay, hopefully you got it. And now we will move to the next question. Now next, I have made some fill in the blanks for you, and we will analyze it and then we will answer it. Okay, hopefully you got those true and false rightly. So let us see. The use of legitimate power is the characteristics of. This is first question, fill in the blank. So who has the power to use? Who has the power to use legitimate power, legitimate force, जायज़ force कौन use कर सकता है, right? So only political system. No other authority or no other organizations have been given the power to use legitimate force or legitimate power. So our answer is political system. Yes. Next is, dash in political system is inevitable. Inevitable means that will happen, surely will happen, होगा ही होगा. So what is inevitable? Question should be, what is inevitable in political system? बदलाव, the change is inevitable. So answer is change. First we will reason with it, right, ourselves, then only we will be able to answer it properly. The next question is, political system converts in dash into output. So then we should ask ourselves the question, what political science converts into output? Political science किस चीज़ को output में बदलता है? तो we know that political science political system has two functions. One is input function, the other is output function. Then we will be able to reach on the conclusion that political system converts inputs into outputs, right? So answer would be here inputs, right? Input. Then next question is, distribution of goods and services is the dash of political system. What does it mean? Political distribution of goods and services is the what of political system, right? So what of political system, if we ask, then distribution of goods and services is the function of political system, can be its answer. And one thing also can be that it is which function, input function or output function. So distribution of goods and services, after it has been processed, after input has been taken, then the output comes. So distribution is something sort of output, right? So distribution of goods and services is the output function of political system. So if student write distribution of goods and services is the function of political system, the answer is also right. Then if and completely right is it is output function of political system, and the marks can be given on the function also and the output function also, right? Hopefully you got it. So here output functions, output function. Okay, then we have to move to the next question. Next question is the scope of political system is dash then in comparison to that of state. Now you should keep in mind, scope of political system is bigger or scope of state is bigger. So we have read that scope of political system which is much bigger than the state, as it doesn't deal only with extra societal environment, intra societal environment, but it also deals with extra societal environment, all kind of organizations, right? If we read about the features of political system, right? And we know that state has 4 compulsory elements. So here the answer would be wider, right? So the scope of political system is wider than in comparison to that of the state. Hopefully you got it. Let's move to the next question. Political system converts input into what? Political system converts input into output. Very simple answer. Okay, it is output. Okay, so moving to the next question. The book titled Political System was written in the year. In which year was written? And we have read it thoroughly that the book was written in the year 1953. 1953. Then political system is a persistent of human relationship. Persistent what? Persistent behavior of human relationship, persistent pattern, right? Pattern of human relationship. This is our option. The name of the book written by Graham Wallace is, name of the book written by Graham Wallace is, and we have read that Human Nature is in Politics is written by Graham Wallace. Human Nature in Politics. Human Nature in Politics. Then interest articulation is an input function or output function of the political system. We know interest articulation, right? Interest articulation is interest articulation, इकट्ठा करना इंटरेस्ट को, लोगों के का जो भी इंटरेस्ट है, तो इट वुड बी इकट्ठा करना, ना डिसीजन देने में आता है, तो इकट्ठा करना इज एन इनपुट फंक्शन. Okay, so this is the answer. This was the end of the video. Hopefully you got it, and how to solve MCQs and fill in the blanks, right? So thank you, best of luck, take care. Do share this video with all your friends so that they may get some benefit out of it. Thank you, bye bye, take care.